Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to expand or increase column wide in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. First I'll show you how to expand single column. Now click on this column serial numbers and put your mouse cursor here and see this double arrow icon showing here and drag it and see this column will increase. Also I'll increase this column and see this double arrow icon showing and see this in this way. And secondly, select your column and click right button and here you will find this resize the column option and put your column point here and put it 100 and okay and see this column wide now change. And if you want to change multiple columns wide and drag and select and turn it and see this all of this column now increasing and undo. And secondly, click right button and select a resize option and put here 150. Now select OK and see this. If you want to increase whole column and select whole Google Sheet and click right button and select resize and select here 150. Now select OK and see this. In this way, you increase or expand multiple columns wide, specific columns and single columns. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.